Hello everyone, my name is Neririe and today we are going to crochet a rainbow coaster using this beautiful rainbow colored Onitsuga Polycherry yarn. Written pattern will be included in the description box below. First, you need crochet hook, scissor, tapestry needle, and colored yarns. I am actually using an inline crochet hook size 4.5 millimeters. Now, to begin your project, make a slip knot. Once you're done making your slip knot, grab your yarn and make 15 chains, or as many chains as you need to make the size of coaster you want. Once you're done, you can count first to make sure that you got enough chains. And then make one chain as your turning point and do a single crochet on the second chain from hook. Now continue making single crochet 14 times on each stitches, and then once you're done, chain 1 and turn the work and continue making single crochet on each stitches. Do this until you have 3 rows of purple. Once you reach the last stitch of row 3, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, and hold your loops. Once you have 2 loops, grab your blue colored yarn and insert it into the 2 loops. This is how you change color. Once you change color, chain 1, turn your work, insert your hook on the same stitch, single crochet with the color blue, and then do 14 more single crochet on each stitches. And then you repeat the process. Chain 1, turn your work, insert your hook on the same stitch, single crochet, and then do 14 single crochet on all stitches until you reach row 7. Once you reach row 7 in the color blue, on the last single crochet, make sure to hold your 2 loops, Grab your green yarn and insert the yarn into the 2 loops. Once you finish the single crochet, chain 1 with green, turn your work, single crochet on the same stitch, and then single crochet on every stitches until the end of row. And then you repeat the same process. Chain 1, turn your work, single crochet on every stitches until you reach row 10. Keep in mind, when you are weaving the ends along while crocheting, make sure you take the color that is used previously so that it blends seamlessly. I did an oopsie on purple and blue, and it doesn't look as clean and neat as it should, but that is fine. If that happens, it is fine. You can always fix it later. Now, on the last row of green, that is row 10, make sure to leave 2 loops on the last single crochet. Grab your yellow yarn, insert it into the 2 loops, chain 1, single crochet on the same stitch, and do 14 single crochet on every stitches. Once you're done, repeat the process. Chain 1, turn your work, single crochet on the same stitch, and single crochet until the end of row. Once you reach row 13, you will change to color orange. Grab your orange yarn and pull it through the 2 loops. Chain 1, turn your work, single crochet on the same stitch, and do 14 single crochet until the end of row, and repeat the process until you reach row 16. Once you reach row 16, you will change into the last color, that is red. Make sure to have 2 loops on your hook. Grab your red yarn, pull it through the 2 loops, chain 1, turn your work, and single crochet 15 times. Do this until you reach row 19. Once you're done, chain 1, cut off the tail, and pull the yarn all the way and secure your project. Once you're done securing your project, it is time to clean up. Now you might see some loose ends pointing out. If you're weaving in while you're working on the rows, like me, you can clean it up by pulling the yarn a bit and cut it with scissors, but please be careful while you're doing this. Do not cut your project by accident, because it happened to me before when I was practicing. If you choose to not weave in the loose end while crocheting, you might want to weave in the loose ends first for a few stitches, and then pull the yarn a bit, cut it, and then stretch your project so the yarn is secured behind the stitch. And you're done. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this helps you in learning how to change color and do single crochet. I'll see you on the next video.